Scientifically, memorizing things can help change how your brain functions, the way that you think. We recently found a pretty cool tool that can help with memorization. One of the things that we like to do is memorizing scripture. There's a scripture tool, and then there's just memorizing anything else kind of tool. So I just want to show you, give you a quick walkthrough about how it works.
Okay, so the kids actually really like to use the phone app, but I kind of prefer the online version just because, I don't know, it's easier to move around and everything. There is a verse library here. It already has a large topical collection, so you can add these, any collection that you want you can add to your library. Here we have our verses. And as you can see, we started just a small collection so far. I had maybe entering them in the phone as one of her activities, and so she has her own collection here of verses that she wants to memorize, and then I have a collection that I've started here. And then we've also started collections based on our family character focuses that we've been working on. So I'll just show you a little bit here how you can use this. I'm going to go with 1 Corinthians 13:13. What you can do is type Okay, so, and you can see it records your time. That's kind of a fun motivation to try to beat your time. As you saw when I was going through, one of the letters turned red, and that was showing that I had missed something or messed it up somehow. So first of all, it has you type it and familiarize yourself with it. And then it goes to the memorizing phase. So now it takes some of the words out. And now these things, whoops, these three remain: faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love. So then you can choose to try the opposite words. And then going on to mastering it is to see if you can get all of the words by yourself. I still haven't played around a lot the differences between the web browser and the phone app. On the phone app, it has the option to just type the first letter of each word so that you don't have to spend a lot of time trying to mess with that. So now it's added to the review list, so let's check our review list. So now these kind of things, they can pop up on the phone to remind you to review them. It's like you could also create a group, and I assume that would be that you could work together on memorizing with other people. And then here you can see is the memory typer. So this looks cool. We haven't made an account here yet, but it looks like they have options of things already in here that you can memorize. States and capitals, historical documents, science, and poetry. And then you can always add your own stuff also. So that's pretty cool. I think that could be a really helpful homeschooling resource. Something else that's different about the phone app is that you can also record yourself reading the verse, and then you can listen to it back. I think that can be another helpful way of memorizing. So this has been really cool for us. It's helped to have a little bit more structure in how we memorize. Hopefully it can help you too.
Let us know in the comments below if you have any tips or tricks for memorization or any other apps that you may have tried. As always, stay clever, folks. The only thing good about where we normally live in the summer is that it's quieter. Mostly.